Welcome to the Master Clinical Dentistry Institute. Master Clinical Dentistry Institute provides you to study from anywhere around the globe. You can study from your home too. Institute provides you best online coaching. Institute provides you facility that is 1:1 coaching or batch study. So, are you preparing for your ADC exam? Master Clinical Dentistry Institute helps students to clear their ADC exam Part 1. Master Clinical Dentistry Institute also provide coaching for various examinations. 100+ online test series, revision batches are its peculiar features. General dentistry courses, aesthetic dentistry courses, basic and advanced endodontic courses, implant courses, and many more. So, you can clear all your queries, improve your clinical skills, clear all of your doubts with Master Clinical Dentistry Institute. So here's the explanation for the previous question, that is the primary site of biotransformation of the amide drug is the plasma, lung, liver or kidney. So the answer is D, liver. So the explanation is, what are local anesthetic agents? These are the agents which produce reversible block of nerve conduction without any structural damage to the neuron concerned and without any loss of consciousness. Local anesthetics are used to block all sensation in the part supplied by the nerve. So, next is the classification of local anesthetic agents based on the mode of application. So, they can be topical, they can be injectable. In topical, they can be soluble like cocaine, lidocaine, tetracaine, benoxynate, and in insoluble, they can be benzocaine, butyl amino benzoate. In injectable, they can be lidocaine, mepivacaine, tetracaine, bupivacaine, or dibucaine. So, another classification is based on according to the site and the mode of action, that is class A, B, C, and D. Class A is agents which act at receptor site on the external surface of the nerve membrane. Class B is the agents which acting at the receptor site on the internal surface of the nerve membrane. Class C is agents which acting by the receptor independent physiochemical mechanism. And class D is the agents which act by combination of the receptor and the receptor independent mechanism. So this was the classification based on the according to the site and the mode of action. Another is the LA agents and the vasoconstrictors. So according to this, they can be long acting and conventional. In the long acting, they can be plain or epinephrine containing, that is adrenaline containing. And in the conventional, they can be vasoconstrictive containing or plain. In vasoconstrictor or adrenaline containing, they can be epinephrine. So the agent can be epinephrine or it can be flurpiridaz. Next comes the mode of the action of the local anesthetic agent. So basically, its action is on the voltage gated sodium channel. So as you can see, sodium ion passing through the channel, and it brings about the depolarization of the nerve membrane to generate an action potential. So lidocaine or any anesthetic agent, it blocks that channel and sodium ion is unable to pass through the channel. So there is no depolarization of the nerve and there is no generation of action potential. So this is how is the mode of the local anesthetic agent. Next is the biotransformation or the metabolism. So the two types are ester or amide. So the ester groups, they are metabolized in the plasma by the enzyme pseudocholinesterase. Okay, then comes the toxicity. It occurs in the patients with plasma pseudocholinesterase enzyme deficiency. So it's 1 out of 2500. Next comes with the amide group. Amide group local anesthetic agents which contain the amide group, they are metabolized in the liver by the liver microsomal enzymes. Toxicity can be high toxic blood levels occur in the patients who have impaired liver function, that is liver dysfunction. So this was about the explanation of the local anesthetic agents. Do you have any doubt, any query in the topic local anesthetic agents? Prepare yourself, prepare the best with Master Clinical Dentistry Institute. Master Clinical Dentistry Institute helps to clear the various examinations For details, visit at the site, that is www.mastroclinicaldentistry.com. You can call or WhatsApp 788-909-3147.